So welcome back, guys. This is Madhav PVL, and today we are going to discuss about the programming languages. So today, let us just discuss about this programming languages. So basically, programming language is nothing but a base or a system, or a way of commanding a machine. So it's just used for giving instructions through programs to a computer or any machine. So for giving some instructions, we need some language, right? In our normal ways, we can just say like to just talk with people, we need some language. So basically, in computer also we have three languages. And computer executes three languages: the machine language, assembly language, and high-level languages. So basically, what is meant by a machine language? So machine language is nothing but this is just a binary code. So the language which we speak is English. So basically, every machine can't understand this English. So for machine understanding, there is a separate language for that, and that is in the form of a binary code. So machine language is a language which is of binary ones and zeros. It is a language only which the computer understands without any translation program. So operation code, which tells the computer what function to perform. Operand is which function is operating and storing. So this is about machine level programming. So disadvantages of the machine level programming are it is machine dependent. It differs from computer to computer. It is difficult to program and write. It is prone to errors. It is difficulty to modify. So basically, the disadvantages are, so it is differ from computer to computer. This is because each computer has its separate specifications and separate details. So the machine language is machine independent. That is nothing but we can't just transfer the one of its code to another machine. So it is differ from computer to computer, and it is also difficult to write and program without a proper compiler. So without a proper compiler, we can just can't build perfect machine level code. So, and it is prone to errors and is difficulty to modify. And now next, that is assembly level programming. So this is one of the semi basic low level programming. That is nothing but it is just a combination of alphanumeric codes instead of numeric codes for a set of instructions. So this is basically a mixture of both machine language and then some high level language, that is alphanumeric codes and those all things. So assembly level language requires a translator that is known as assembler. So it is to convert the assembly language into a machine language. It assembles the machine language program in the main memory of the computer and makes it ready for the execution. So basically for assembly level programming, we need a particular assembler, that is just a compiler which is used to just convert this assembly language into a machine language. Everything should be converted into machine language, right, to just perform an action. So assembler is used to convert the assembly language into a machine language. So this is basic. And then advantages of the assembly language: it is easy to understand and it is easy to locate and correct errors. It is easier to modify. It is machine dependent, so that is a disadvantage. So it is not much important. And high level programming, so this programming is well known to everyone. Like nowadays, we are just learning this high level programming such as C, Java, Python, and all these things. So it is machine independent language. So we can just transfer one code to another code. We can just transfer one code to another system without any changes. So it is machine independent. It will just depend upon the user interface. So the way in which it differs on languages. So COBOL was the first high level language developed for business. So a compiler is a translator which is used to convert this high level program into a machine level program. As I said before, every code which is written in any level of programming should just convert into a machine language to execute an instruction. So in this high level programming, compiler is a tool which is used as a translator to translate the high level programming into its equivalent machine level program. And High level programming is source code. So source code is nothing but the code which the user writes on his compiler. It depends upon the language and it differs upon the languages. So source code is an input which is a procedural language. The compiler translates the source code into the object code, object high level language. So basically source code is the code which is written by the user interface, and then it is converted by this language translator program to a high level language, and then from high level language it is just converted into a machine level language with the help of a compiler. So high level programming consists of a linker, a program used with the compiler to provide links to the libraries needed for an executable program. It takes one or more object code generated by a compiler and combines them into a single executable programs. So basically, linkers are nothing but the predefined libraries. So there will be some of the predefined libraries in this compilers. So these libraries are built to just overcome the steps. So basically, some of the lines in any code is much similar than compared to remaining codes. So some of the lines in a code are common to every code. So basically, linkers are the libraries in which they are used to just occupy the space for those common lines for any program. And interpreter, it is a translator which is used for translating high level language into the desired output. It takes one statement, translate into a machine language instructions, and then immediately executes the result. Its output is the result of program execution. So interpreter is a translator which is used for translating the high level language into a desired output. So high level programs advantages are it is machine independent, it is easier to learn, and it is easier to maintain and gives few errors. So as we had discussed it before, the disadvantages, maybe in my view, high level programming doesn't have any much bigger disadvantages because this is more useful for a human interface. So I think so high level programming doesn't have any disadvantages which are much important. So this is about programming languages. Thank you guys.